All right, guys, I have something a little bit different for you today. So a lot of you have been asking me for weekly updates on how my seedlings are growing. I don't have the time to record like a proper edited, planned out video every week. I've got my hands full with a little munchkin down here and a bunch of other things, 2 other bigger munchkins. But if you like this style of video, I can do this weekly. So what I'm going to do, this is a bit of a test, a bit of an experiment. I'm going to try and record the whole thing unedited and just upload it as a slab. I'm not going to put time and effort into removing my ifs or buts. There's not going to be a whole lot of pretty overlay. I'm just going to show you how things are growing, take the phone around, and you just get it in its raw, unedited version. You'll probably learn that I mix my words up sometimes. Usually I edit those out. And you'll probably learn that I can ramble. Usually I edit the rambling out too, but I'm going to give this a go. If you like this, let me know, because this is probably the only version that I can manage to do really frequently. Some of you have even asked for 2 or 3 times a week. Again, if this style of video works for you, I might even be able to do that. So I'm going to show you how everything is growing. I planted all of these seeds between 10 and 6 or 7 days ago. Almost all of them have sprouted, some of them haven't. So I have got some in a different room and some outside. So I'll probably cut the video twice, once to go there and once to go outside. Yes, you'll see me scratching my face, all that sort of stuff. I've got little Lucy Bear down here. If she screams, you'll get that too. You'll see the mess, you'll see everything. But let's just give it a shot. So this is 10 days on from when I've sown most of these seeds and 7 days on from when I've sown some of them. I'm about to find out if I can flip the camera while I'm filming. I've got a light on here. I'm gonna take that off. And let's see if I can flip this. No, I can't. Okay, I'm gonna stop and start again. So there's my little munchkin on the other side. Let me come and show you how things are growing. So this is the window that gets the best sun in my house. You can see there's only a little bit that is currently still in sun. The beginning of the day I get heaps of sun over there, and then it sort of moves over here. So I've always grown my seedlings here. They've always done quite well, but they have sometimes ended up a bit leggy. So I have actually made a little bit of an impulse purchase over here, which is a grow light. I bought that online for sort of 50 or 60 bucks. I'll add a link to it if that interests you. Where should we start? Let's start from this corner. So again, if you saw the video where I planted all these seeds, I worked out straight away that I had, have I even labelled that? I haven't labelled that one. I've planted a lot of these too early because my zucchinis and my cucumbers are just growing really, really quickly. I have also just bought another impulse buy at the same time, a bigger greenhouse cover for outside, which I'll link to that as well. I'm hoping I will get some of these to maturity before the season has turned to summer by kind of hacking the season. Anyway, story for another day. I'll link to that if you want to see it. Okay, so zucchinis here. You can see how big they are. These are pumpkin. Interestingly, pumpkin, zucchini, and cucumber all look so similar. Again, pumpkin's too early. Don't plant your pumpkins yet if you're about to do that. These are tomatoes. Now, I'm really excited about these tomatoes because these are seeds that I saved from one of my mother-in-law's tomatoes last year that were delicious. They were Black Russians, and I used the paper towel trick where I basically just rubbed some seeds onto a paper towel, let it dry, folded it up, and then just brought it out, I planted the whole paper towel, and I planted about 6 in each pot. This one obviously was more than 6 because more than 6 have sprouted, but the germination rate has been extremely high. You can see there's only 4 in there, 3 in there and 4 in there, but the others have got sort of 6 in them. There's Liz. Yes, so I'm excited about that method. I recorded that, so I'll shoot a whole video another day about those ones. Over here, let's have a look. What are these? See, they all look the same. Lebanese cucumbers, planted them too early. Don't plant them now unless you too want to set up a little greenhousey thing outside. I think these are also Lebanese cucumbers. Yep, those are the baby cucumbers. And more Lebanese cucumbers. My basil over here, I've got to get in really close to show you that. But it's going quite nicely. Basil always grows really, really slowly. Yeah. But if you're growing tomatoes, you have to grow basil. These are early Cascade tomatoes. You right there, Munchkin? Yeah, I won't take too much longer. Oh yeah, these are exciting. So these just sprouted this morning. Watermelon sugar baby watermelons. I do have a little Tiva in my pocket. Do you want to play with that one? Yeah. Let's see if that's... Hello, beautiful girl. All right, let's keep going so that I don't take up too much of your time. Zucchini, watermelon, really excited about those. They have started to sprout. Yes, these are all looking a bit dry actually. I have to water them. These beetroot are probably leggier than I would like them, which is why I've got them right up next to the window. But I think they'll be fine. More tomatoes. Are they? Yeah, they are. Sugar lump tomatoes I've got growing there. What's in this one? These look really dry. Beefsteak tomatoes. Over there. What's at the end? One of those other ones that I've grown too quickly. What are these? Zucchinis. That one took a bit longer. Yellow capsicums haven't sprouted yet. I don't think any of my capsicums have sprouted yet. They usually take, I'm pointing over here, they usually take a long time. All right, I'm going to shift over. And what are these ones? Oh, pumpkins. Yeah, I haven't actually grown pumpkins before, so I'm actually pretty excited about that. Loving pumpkin soup at the moment. Now, I uploaded a video of me planting these ones, so let's slide over this way. Beetroot, cos lettuce, spinach, and fennel. So they're almost all poked out. This beetroot haven't yet sprouted. Couple of little babies in there that have come through, and some beetroots here. Cos lettuce, they're all out. Spinach and fennel. You can see them all reaching towards the window. And what's this one? This is a new dill. That's how my dill's going. I'm going to press pause and just tend to Lucy for a moment. Okay, so a couple of things I've got going on here. I've decided to record some videos about how you can regrow certain veggies from the supermarket. So we've got lettuce there. Hasn't yet got any roots. No, but you can see it's regrowing. And leek. You can see those roots are regrowing. Come on, Munchkin. All right, we'll be quick. She's just rolled over. Now, these are some heirloom planters that I have got from Gatherer, which I'm pretty excited about. Stuck seeds in about a week ago. And I did see one or two of them starting to poke through. I can't show you, but I actually have seen those seeds starting to germinate. So we've got 2 tomatoes, a capsicum, and a cucumber that I'm planning to grow inside here once these have gone. And I might use that light to assist the growth. Now, Gatherer do also have a really cool new indoor grow light, and I'll link to all those things too. I do have a discount code for Gatherer if you guys are interested in checking out these sorts of things. You can either use the link, we'll get you a discount, or you can put in Christy's YouTube as the code at the checkout. Okay, next room. Before I do take you into the next room, it's just a random little thing I'm going to show you. So I've bought some new bean seeds because I'm going to get some of those in time to get them growing for the fundraiser. Purple carrots, because my daughter loves them. Nasturtiums, I'm going to plant those today. They're really awesome in the garden. They deter pests. You can also eat them. They look beautiful. Oh, dahlias. I've never grown these before, but I think they'll look gorgeous. More beans. Oh, climbing beans and dwarf beans. Calendulas. I'm going to plant some of these in the next day or two. Love the look of calendulas in the garden. They're also, you know, they've got all sorts of benefits. I told you this was going to be rough and ready. I am now trying to film while holding this beautiful treasure who's teething. Hurts, doesn't it? She's learnt to give kisses. Can I have a kiss? Can I have a kiss? Oh, not today. So under here are the remaining things that have not yet sprouted. Ooh, yes they have. That I think is another watermelon. Yep, just peeking through. I'll put that in the sun today. Sorry for the noise. I think that is just starting to peek through too. Another watermelon. Mini cucumber hasn't germinated. Might be a dud seed. These ones, oh. More watermelons. Haven't yet sprouted. And I don't know what that is. I might have even forgotten to put something in there. These ones I planted later. Lemon seeds, that'll take forever. Mandarin seeds, again, that'll take forever. I've also got in here strawberries, tomato, kiwi, all experiments, see how they go. All right, before I show you how my final seeds are going in this greenhouse, just need to tell you about a couple of things. I mentioned in my last video, but I have just started an email distribution list. You're a chatterbox. Have you tipped over? Have you tipped over? Oh, there we go. How's that? Is that better? Is that a bit? You just want to roll, don't you? Okay, pause. Try again. So yes, I have just started a new email distribution list. Every time I upload one of these weekly seedling updates or my monthly garden tour, I'm going to send an email out to anyone who's on the distribution list just to let them know that it's up. Okay, let's show you in here and then we're done. So at the back there, passion fruit seeds that I planted have not yet sprouted. That's okay, they're very slow growers and it will be a long time before I get anything in there. Coriander here. You can see some little sprouts have come through. This one's parsley. Parsley hasn't sprouted. In the past I've done parsley from seedlings, so either they're dud seeds or it's a slow growing seed. I'm guessing probably B. I don't really know. These are lettuces. They're coming, I think. Hold on. I'm gonna stick that at the back there to try and read them. Oh yeah, lettuce mix and sorry. Oh yeah, all year round lettuces. They're lettuces all year round. That's a lettuce mix. The fact that these haven't sprouted could mean a dodgy batch or it could mean something else. We'll see in the next little while. Down here, that says rocket. Doesn't look like rocket, but we'll see when the tree leaves come through. And that at the back is parsley, also hasn't sprouted, which tells me probably it's just a timing thing for parsley. And this is corn. These are corn sprouts. Also probably gone in a bit too early. Don't plant your corn just yet, but I'm going to try and make it work anyway. All right, munchkin. And finally more corn here. So I've popped Luce down. She's rolled over. She can roll one way, but she can't roll back, can she, Luce? How you doing, baby girl? You're very clever. You're very clever. She does get a bit annoyed and stuck on her tummy. And finally, this is the greenhouse thing I was telling you about. I am going to pop that up the back one of these beds ultimately, but I haven't gotten around to that yet. But I'm excited about that because the whole thing's closed in. You can see, yeah, that's plastic. So that should increase the temperature of whatever's underneath it, which might enable me to get my seeds in early this year. That's the plan. Thanks guys, bye.